back up your computer or get more space for a growing media library? Portable external drives are the easiest, most cost-effective option for more storage. They require only a single USB cable attached to your computer, so they're convenient to use and carry with a laptop. As a result, we're going to review and decide whether this portable hard drive will meet your expectations. This hard drive offers a large capacity at a price well under what you paid for an SSD. Yes, it's slower, but if you need a reliable backup drive, this is an affordable option that is also faster than some of its competitors. Hey everyone, I'm Shababs and welcome to my channel. The box is basically simple, unlike older presentations of Toshiba boxes and Toshiba hard drives I've had. Right on this side, we've got general information, backup software, password protection software, 2-year limited warranty on this side of the box. Right here, basically the same thing. We only have information about the compatibility in both English and in French. Here it's formatted for NTFS for Windows 10, Windows 8.1. Requires reformatting for Mac. If you're going to use it with a Mac product, with a Mac computer, you're going to have to reformat it with your computer or with your laptop. Compatibility may vary depending on users' hardware configuration and operation system. The USB that comes with this is 3.2 Gen 1 Type A to Micro B. On this side of the box, we have languages in English, backup software, French, in Spanish, and in Portuguese, and the part number. Without further ado, we're gonna open the box, check it out, see the build quality, and you guys can decide if the quality is worth the money.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow.
What came in the box? We have the USB 3.2 cable, a user guide. This user guide is in English, Spanish, French, and Portuguese. 4 languages. We have a declaration of conformity. One of the good things is the hard disk, which is quite slim and lightweight. It fits inside the palm of the hand and is quite small for a 4 terabyte hard disk. This right here is a 2 terabyte external disk, and if we look at the design and the size, it's basically the same, even though this seems a bit bigger compared to the other one. So for a 4 terabyte, this is quite small and very portable. It measures 11 centimeters in length, which is 4.5 inch more or less. In breadth, about 8 centimeters, less than 8 centimeters, which is about 3 inches. And in depth, it's about almost 2 centimeters, which is almost 1 inch. This is quite rough compared to this. One of the other things that I didn't like about this design is there are no little rubber feet to minimize drive noise. In this case, we've got the rubber feet to help minimize noise and even vibration. Being a portable hard disk. It doesn't require any power. You just plug into your Xbox, your laptop and desktop with ease, and it detects quite fast. The hard disk also has a small LED indicator which is located right on top corner here to help you know when file transfers are processing and also battery status. When it comes to hard drives, one of the worst things you can experience is unboxing it and realizing it isn't compatible with your laptop or PC. This device is compatible with both USB 3.0 and 2.0, and it works perfectly fine for Windows devices. However, if you think of using it with a Mac, you will have to reformat the drive before connecting it. So let's go connect this dude and see what other internal features there are. Upon connecting, 3.63 terabyte is free and about 220 megabyte is used by the formatting of the disk. Another thing that we might consider is if it has hidden problems. As of now, none, and hopefully it stays that way. Of the other two Toshiba hard disks that I've had, I've never experienced any hidden issues with any of them. Using the Disk app to check the health status, we can see it's good and the temperature is 30 degrees. And if we look at the disk, the vibration is minimum. When it comes to performance, this drive isn't as fast as an SSD, but it's much cheaper and very reliable. This is a 5400 RPM hard drive, which means that it will usually transfer files at a rate of, let's see, I'm gonna get a file, a heavy file I have here, and place it here. Well, you can see at a rate of at least 138 MBs, which is reasonable for an HDD as opposed to a SSD, but the speed changes depending on the free disk space, how much the disk is fragmented, and whether there are many or any bad sectors. You're likely to enjoy the automatic backup software, which basically means that even if you forget to back up your data, you won't ever risk losing any of it, as the device already does it for you on its own. The second piece of software is the password protection to help prevent virtually anyone who wants to access the device without your authorization, unless you share the password with someone. And these pieces of software are available to download for free only for Windows users. All you're gonna have to do is just come here to this site, you click on this, and this is gonna take you to the site. So you're gonna have this page, software download for Toshiba external hard drive, and you can see all the applicable models. All you just have to do is choose your model and download the software, the manual, and the release notes. Here we've got storage security software, and the same thing, you just download whatever you're gonna need. Overall, it looks like a great hard disk at a good pricing, and I'm happy with my purchase as it totally meets my expectation. I hope we've been able to give you enough information about the Toshiba Canvio Advanced 4TB portable external hard drive. If you have any comments, leave them below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.